Before using the climbing equipment, the climber must check the equipment he or she intends to use to check potential damage or wear of equipment caused by previous use. The inspection must be precise because impeccable equipment is essential for safe climbing. All the equipment must be in accordance with the prescribed EU standards. The climber must check the age and consistency of the belt on the harness, all the seams, especially those that are connected to the load points on the harness, as well as all the metal parts, even in places that are less visible. The bridge is the main load pairing point and very exposed to wear. The climber needs to be very thorough while examining the bridge. He or she checks the performance of all buckles on the harness, which must operate perfectly. Before using the rope, climber must inspect the rope by passing it through his or her hands and examining it visually. If an irregular form or damage is detected, the climber must verify this part thoroughly. At the end of the rope there must be a safety knot. For tree climbing, only 3-stage auto-locking carabiners are used. Carabiner gates must open and close automatically impeccably. The climber inspects the wear and possible damage. On the descender, wear and possible damage needs to be checked as well, especially on the parts over which the rope slides and at the clamping hole. The climber checks all the rivets and signs of damage on the device's housing. On pulleys, the signs of wear on the wheel and the mounting points are checked, as well as the clearance of the bearing and rotation of the wheel. On ascenders, he or she inspects the proper operation of the door, possible wear of the edges and attachment points. In case of rescue, he or she needs to be 100% sure about the load capacity of the devices he or she intends to use. Damaged equipment must be separated from the rest of the gear. The prusik ropes and slings must be made of temperature-resistant materials. The climber inspects the wear and damage, wherein a special attention is dedicated to seams. On helmets, the climber inspects the attachment points and the condition of the straps and the buckle. There must be no visible damage, color change and modification of the helmet. The climber also checks the helmet's best before date. After equipment checkup, the gear is ready for further use.